The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Fred in Denver. Hey, Fred, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, listen, it's an honor to speak to you. I wanted to tell you I'm one of your successful tigers, and the reason that I'm successful, I probably read a couple hundred books on technical analysis over the last 10 or 15 years. I'm a retired public school teacher, and I heard you talking today on your earlier show that if you really knew what you were doing in this business, you probably wouldn't have to work again. And I wake up every morning, I look at your book, I can tell you, every other author is just pales in comparison to your clarity. I just wanted to thank you.
Oh, I really appreciate it.
And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Well, welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 2 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Disconcern the truth. The problem with making assumptions is that we believe that they have the truth. We make an assumption, we misunderstand, we take it personally, and then we react. How do we react? We react with emotional poison, with our word. That creates what? A whole big drama for nothing. Get rid of the drama in your life, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 207, NASDAQ off 61, S&P's off 22, gold contract up $50, trading at $1,702 an ounce. Silver up $1.65 at $33.29 an ounce. Platinum up $18 at $1,563 an ounce. Copper down 4 pennies at $3.40 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.43, trading out at $92.70. Bonds, folks, up 2 points and 8 ticks at 140.09. Now, that bond market, folks, is pretty intense. The bond market did a 0.38 retracement, came off that today with huge conviction. It's going for the 144. Now, if you want to hear something that's right over the top, bottom line is that if that bond market takes out 144 with conviction, you know what it is, folks? Bonds can go to 160. Yes, that means rates are really going downtown. King dollar up 18 ticks, trading out at 76.44. Euro down 25 ticks at 139, and you got the yen down 14 at 75.96. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? S&Ps, we are at 1229.05, and what it did, it came back inside the range. It busted outside of the range. Let's see, what day's today? Today, Wednesday, Tuesday? Tuesday. So we busted outside the range on Friday. You're back inside the range. What does that set up? That sets up the bottom of the range. Now, what you had out here today is that you had really light volume also on the pullback. We did 1 billion shares versus 900 million. Bottom line is that you're going to need an acceleration of volume to get to the bottom of that range. Dow Industrials, we did the exact same deal. Bottom line, Dow was down 207. You're back inside the 11,716 area. Same type of setup. That says you're going down to the other side of the range. And the NASDAQ composite, that's the one that not only leads, folks, okay, but this basically was saying flat out, even at the close, after the close last night, that it couldn't handle it. The NASDAQ composite down $61 out here today at 26.38. That also got back inside the range. That came back inside the range. Volume was light there, too. You know, we did 1.7 billion. Okay, now, after the close, I'll give you the good news first. PNRA, Panera Bread. Panera Bread, that closed at 115.72. That little baby is trading out there at 126. Number-wise on Panera Bread, this is what we have. Same-store sales were up 4 to 5%. They see their earnings per share from $5.38 to $5.48 for the year. Good numbers. That's the bottom line. Now, Amazon. Amazon is getting absolutely smoked, folks. Amazon closed out the day at $227, down $10. Right now, it's trading at $192, down an additional $37. The way Amazon is set up right here, bottom line is that, let's see, oh, she's in trouble. She's in trouble. Yeah, she's in trouble. Actually, look at this. I should have saw this before the market was closed, actually. She was already breaking a swing point today with volume, folks. Amazon, this is where you can see that someone always knows something. Amazon had come down last Wednesday, had come down to 219, 229 rather. Had a low out there, 229, 6.7 million. It was breaking that today. That's already an ABC down. Amazon is blowing everything apart. That little baby's on its way back down to 177. Some of the Netflix, NFLX, this is just a total mind blower. No doubt, Netflix down $41. That's a destroyed stock. $300 to $77, and all about July 18th to now. First Solar, FSLR. If you want to see something, we talked about this. Steve and I were talking about this on the morning show quite a bit the last couple days on the acceleration up in the NASDAQ. The reason being, folks, is this. First Solar, when you're bisecting and dissecting equities, what I always like to do is I like to go inside the indice and see what the strongest one is inside the indice. So what we did is that when we were going inside there, now this is the sickest part in the world, First Solar had been one of the stocks that was basically putting juice inside the index 100. Now that was bizarre. Why? Because First Solar had just come down from $142 down to $50. It was doing a counter trend bounce up to 60. Bottom line, blows apart today. First Solar also is done. And First Solar, what they did is that they canned their CEO intraday. Now, the thing that's amazing about First Solar is that when you think about that they canned their CEO intraday, that also tells you that their board of directors are absolutely out of their mind. Absolutely out of their mind, okay? You don't can a CEO intraday, folks, okay? that is just like asking, okay? That bottom line is that, you're going to get a sell away that you just won't believe, and that's exactly what they got. We take a look at some of the high-volume stocks out here. This is what you have. You get GE down 26. We had, MF Global. Check this out. There's big trouble in paradise over here. So MF Global, folks, this is the largest hedge fund in the world. MF Global has some big, big problems. Who knows what they are yet? Bottom line, MF Global down, 50% today. Okay, it's trading at $1.86. So now it's down 40%. Started out at yesterday it closed out at $377. Today what it is $1.86. We go take a look at, let me see if I bring this back to 02, and we put this on a monthly basis. This is what you have on a monthly basis. On a monthly basis, $1.72 does that's the low, and it's gonna basically go after that $1.72. So, and that is the low period, I believe. I don't think it ever went lower than that. Yeah, you get below the $1.72, that's a big problem. And if you, of course, with the MF Global deal, folks, bottom line is that you can just go watch the Eddie Murphy movie Trading Places. That's where those brothers, that's what MF Global, unfortunately, probably has some problems right now. Because what does happen, bottom line, is that, the way that's trading right now, sell Monoba, sell and turn those machines off. Because, unfortunately, there's a big problem there, no doubt. We take a look at some of the Dow stocks out here. This is what you have. You had Caterpillar was down $1.88. We had ExxonMobil off 73. Oxy was down 217. Big Blue was off 189. Let's go to 3M. She was getting hammered. Okay, so 3M, yeah, not that well. Yeah, no, 3M's going to the bottom too. 3M, what a classic this is. So 3M comes downtown, gets from downtown $97, gets down to $70, does a counter trend bounce up to this 82, and she comes downtown again with Huge volumes. 12 million shares, $5. What that sets up is not only the low of 68. This very well could be a monster ABC structure on the way down. So there's a big number there. Big number. Inside the Dow Industrials out here today, what you did have, what was hammering the Dow Industrials, you had 3M brought it down 38 points, IBM 14, Caterpillar 14, Chevron 13. What was the only Dow stocks that were putting any juice into the Dow at all today was Cisco and Intel. Let's go to Frank in West Palm Beach. Hey, Frank, what's going on?
Hey, Tiger, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day out there?
I got to repair something. I'm the jazz man you talked to yesterday.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, you go to my site, jazzmanstore.com. You'll see a lot of stuff.
Jazzman Store?
Yeah, jazzmanstore.com. I have on YouTube, Jazzman Store, all together, and you'll see my videos.
You know who's one of my best friends?
Who?
Charles Lloyd.
Oh, yeah. That's hip, man.
He's a tiger, man. He's a growling and prowling with us. Seriously.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Hey, listen, McDonald's, I'm hammered in the McDonald's December puts, okay?
Oh, we got to get you out of those, man. Just get out of them.
Nah, it's too late. I mean,
everyone's eating these worm burgers, man.
Yeah. I'm hammered December puts. I'm hammered down to, down to 4 something. There could be, could be a blip back up that I can get out probably. What do you think?
Okay, so he's in.
95 puts I'm in.
Yeah, no, I'm with you. Okay, so what you have is this. Okay, you're in a high-level consolidation, but McDonald's is strong, man. I mean, if you can get a break back to 86, just get out of them. Okay.
If I can get a break back to 87, not 86, I'll get out.
Oh, good. Well, good. I mean, this can test 86. It can test 86. You know, what you had here today is this. You need a close under $91.20. See how it launched that whole area?
Right.
Well, when it launches an area, it doesn't have to come back underneath it. Do you know what I mean? So
you think I'll get a blip down to maybe 80, 89?
All you have to do. What happens is this. When you get a failure, now to me this is not a failure, by the way, okay? You got over the highs, you had the volume, you had everything that you needed to get higher, okay?
Right.
What very well could help you, though, is Amazon tomorrow morning, is the market, basically. That's what can help you, and you'll just get a small pullback. You get a small pullback, man, get out of town, okay?
And not only that, but also if the euro index goes a little down and the dollar goes up, that'll help too.
It will, but what does happen is this: is that it will. But what McDonald's does really well, is that where they're doing business, they buy a lot of this stuff outside of the potatoes, okay?
Right.
And so they can keep a lot of the money in there. Cooking, brother. This Tom O'Brien, TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.
X-Story Gold Mines, an NYSE Amex-listed company trading under the